Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my DreamView channel. Now I'm going to tell you about LG 687 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 687 liters, good for large families. Compressor type, inverter linear compressor, consumes low electricity in comparison to a normal compressor. Defrosting type, frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications, generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type, side by side. Refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Defrosting type, frost-free. Compressor type, inverter linear compressor. Number of doors, 2. Airflow type, multi-airflow. Number of refrigerator shells, 4. Coming to the warranty, 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price, 79,990 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my DreamView channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.